Welcome guys. In Python Daily Challenge Solution, we are going to see question number 42. In this question, we are going to see a Python program in order to convert a binary number into decimal number. So the input which by compiling the given sort of code, the input which I have given here, it is 0011, and by compiling I would get the output as 3. The method which I've used is to extract the digits of a given binary number starting from the rightmost digit and keep a variable of decimal value. At the time of the extracting the digit from the binary number, multiply the digit with the proper base with a power of 2 and add it to the variable of the decimal value. So let me write the sort of Python code for this program. So I have used an online GDB compiler. So guys, here you could see I have written a Python code. In this Python code, I'm going to get the input from the user, a binary number of integer type. So let me give an example. So let me have enter binary number of 0011. So initially my sum value is equal to 0 and my I value is equal to 0. So I'm going to use a while loop. So initially the num value is here, the num value is 0011, but I'm going to extract it from the rightmost end, a digit by digit, single digit by digit. So I'm going to take only the number 1 as my num value. So 1 is not equal to 0, true, it goes inside the loop. So here the remainder value is equal to, I've used a variable of remainder is equals to num modulo 10. You could see 1 modulo 10, 1 modulo 10 would give me the answer as 1. So my remainder value becomes 1. My remainder value is equal to 1. So what happens in the next line of code is that sum is equals to sum plus remainder. So what happens here is my sum value is initially 0 as I've shown top. So what happens here is, again what happens here is my sum value will become sum is equals to sum. So sum is value 0 plus my remainder value as I've shown in the top line is 1 into, so power of 2 comma I. So what happens is I value is 0. So 2 power 0 is 1. So 2 power 0 is 1. 2 power 0 is 1. So what happens here is 2 power 0 is equal to 1. Next line, some value would become 1 plus 0 is 1 into 1. So my sum value becomes 1. So now my sum value is equal to 1. Next line of code, num is equals to int num by 10. So by getting this, by executing this code, so in this line of code, my num value would become num by 10. I would get the answer as 0, 0, 1. So the num by 10, the value of num by 10 is 0, 0, 1. And what happens in the this line is next line is I is equals to I plus 1. So now my I value becomes 0 plus 1. So I is 0, 0 plus 1, my I value becomes 1. So in this case, my num value, so this is a first. So in second iteration, what happens here is, again, I'm going to the while loop. My num value would become 0, 0, 1. So my remainder is equals to num modulo 10. So so I'm going to take the rightmost last digit. So it's 1. So 1 modulo 10 is equal to 1. So my remainder value also becomes 1. So what happens in the next iteration is sum is equals to sum plus. So what happens is 0 plus my remainder value will become 1, and my high value have been incremented to 1. So my value also been incremented to 1. So 2 power 1 is 2. So into 2. So I'm going to get my sum value as, so my sum value would become 2. So currently my sum value is equal to 2. Again, my num will now my num would become 0, 0. So my I value gets incremented to 2. So automatically what happens here is, what happens here is, again my num value becomes 0, 0. So automatically I'm going to get my remainder as 0, and sum value as, so 0 plus 0, automatically this whole sum value becomes 0, and num value becomes 0. So all those things become 0. So at last my sum value would be 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0. So now my sum value would become 3. So automatically I'm going to print the decimal number as sum. The value is 3. So let me run this code. So here I'm going to get enter a binary number. Let me into 0011. So here you could see the decimal number is 3.